Hello there! This video explains how to replace the side indicator bulb in a Nissan Primera P12. I'll show you how to remove the indicator from the wing, how to access the bulb, and how to put the whole lot back together again. It's a quick, easy job that only takes 2 minutes. Look, I'll prove it to you. Are you ready? Steady, go! Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, here's how to change a side indicator bulb on a Nissan Primera P12. Step 1 is to remove the indicator from the front wing. To do so, slide it forward just a bit towards the front of the car, then pull it out. Sliding it forward compresses and therefore releases this clip that holds the indicator in position. Now, as you saw, my side indicator came out easily on this occasion. However, this wasn't the case in the past. Once, when it hadn't been removed for many years, it was very difficult to slide it far enough forwards. This might be your experience too. If so, wiggle the indicator forward, back, up, down, in, out, any direction it will actually move until it breaks free. I've had to be quite rough in the past. Sorry, car. We need to get going. Behind the white indicator lens, we can see part of the socket that contains the light bulb. The lens and the socket have to be separated. To do so, grip the socket and the lens, twist the socket anti-clockwise, and pull. Now, pull the bulb to remove it. We now have to find the correct type of replacement side indicator bulb. The Nissan Primera we're using for this video requires a 501, that's a 5 watt, with an amber tint. It's likely as not that your Primera takes the same type of bulb, but check the owner's manual to be sure. Alternatively, look at the blown bulb and see if there's a model number. OK, to fit the new bulb, push it into the socket. Next, reconnect the bulb socket and the white indicator lens. To do so, line up these 2 pins of the socket with these 2 holes behind the white lens. Now push the socket and the lens together and twist the socket clockwise to lock it in position. Now's the time to put the indicator back in the wing. So, slide in the edge closest to the back of the car, then push the front of the lens until it clicks. Finally, check that the bulb's working. And that's it. That's how to replace a side indicator bulb in a Nissan Primera P12. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content, ask any questions in the comments section, and do me a favour and click like on this video. Oh, and have you heard about the Nissan Primera Owners Club? It's a fantastic resource and you can find it at www.npoc.co.uk. Oh, and there's one more thing. I've written a new book that could help you out. It's called How to Buy the Right Used Car, and it walks you through the entire process in simple, easy to follow steps. It's available at Amazon, and there's a link in the description of this video that takes you straight to it. Right, that's all for now. I told you we could replace a side indicator really quickly. We took 1 minute and 58 seconds. New world record!